Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in today's video I will discuss about developing the functionality of loading multiple views in a single page using jQuery. Okay, so now this is the design which we are going to develop, or the functionality. Here you can see there is a tab, okay, or a menu, a personal tab, qualification tab, professional tab, and skills tab. Okay, so I can move between different tabs. Okay, if I want to view the details of qualification, I can click on qualification and then I will see the content of qualification tab. Okay, if I want to see the information of professional tab, then I will have to click on professional tab. Okay, so each and every tab has its own content. Okay, so normally what happens is whenever we see tab system or this kind of navigation system, whenever we click on any of the tab, a different page will get loaded, which takes time. Okay, so now here, instead of loading different pages for different tabs, what I have done is I'm loading various views in a single page. Okay, because as a result of that, our views or the content will get loaded easily and with a faster pace. Okay, so now as you can see here, it's so quick. Okay, so if I want to move to personal, then I just have to click on the personal and then immediately the content of that personal tab will display. Okay, if I want to go to skills, then I will see the details of the skill tab. Okay, and even if you refresh it by clicking on the skills tab, the content will be as it is. Okay, so that selected skill tab will be highlighted. Okay, so now if I click on qualification and when I refresh, okay, it will not come to the personal tab. Okay, so now if I click on professional and refresh, as you can see, the content will be visible there itself. Okay, so this is the functionality which we are going to create in this video. Okay, so this kind of feature is very useful whenever you want to display different types of information on different tabs and you want that information to be displayed very quickly. Okay, so now I am using Bootstrap for designing this page. Okay, and I'm using jQuery as well. Okay, so now let's go to our project. Okay, so now let us see the coding. Okay, so this is my project, multiple tabs. Okay, inside that I have an asset folder. Inside the assets folder I have CSS and JS files. So the files which I'm using in this project are bootstrap.css, bootstrap.js, jQuery, and then I have created another JavaScript file which is tabs jQuery.js. I have given it a name as tabs jQuery.js. Okay, inside which I have written the JavaScript code. Okay, so now I will put the link in the description from where you can easily download this bootstrap.css, bootstrap.js, jQuery files. Okay, so now let us come to our index page. Okay, so now it started with the header tag. Okay, and there is a title, and here I have linked my JS and CSS files. Okay, and here I have written some additional CSS styling which I have applied apart from the Bootstrap framework. Okay, so now I have applied font family as Roboto and sans serif to body. Okay, and then tabs links I have created these classes. These are the custom classes. Okay, these are not from the Bootstrap classes. I have given these classes in this HTML markup. Okay, so now next is body tag. Inside the body tag I have taken a navigation menu. Okay, and inside that navigation menu I have aligned the content in between. Okay, with a class of row. Okay, I have a Bootstrap is a 12 column grid. Okay, so now I have taken only 8 columns. Inside the 8 column I'm displaying the content, and I have left 2 columns on the left side and 2 columns on the right side. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so now the title or the heading. Okay, now the next one is container. Okay, inside the container, as I have already said, I have kept my content in between. Okay, by leaving 2 columns on the left side and 2 columns on the right side, and content is inside the 8 columns. Okay, now inside this div I have created a div with a class tabs. Okay, and then I have created a UL with a class tabs links. Okay, and to this I have given it as id my tab, and then inside it I have created links with a class new link, id as personal tab, data toggle tab. Okay, and then I have given it a id as personal. Okay, so what does it means is whenever I click on this personal, I want to load the personal, I want to load the div with the id personal. Okay, so now as you can see here I have assigned, I have given the id of the div. Okay, so this is the id which I have given to this div. Okay, so the moment when I click on personal, this div will get loaded with this content. Okay, and when I click on this qualification tab, okay, see, qualification div will get added, it will get displayed. Okay, the id here assigned is qualification. As you can see, this div will get loaded whenever I click on the qualification tab, and to this link I have passed the id of professional. See the id which I have assigned to this div. So whenever I click on the professional tab, the div with the id professional will get loaded with this content. Okay, and lastly when I click on the skills tab, the div with the id skills will get loaded with this skills content. Okay, so inside these divs you can add any content. Okay, you can create a form and you can submit that form, okay, to the server. Okay, so these links have same kind of classes and IDs. Okay, but these IDs are different. Okay, personal tab, qualification tab, all these things. Okay, so this is everything about HTML code. Okay, for our functionality of loading multiple divs in a single page. Okay, and then we have a tabs jQuery.js files. Okay, so if you whenever you click on the any tab to load the content, okay, then this script will loading the appropriate div with its content. Okay, so with this JavaScript code, whenever I click on any of the tab, it will load the appropriate div with its content. Okay, so this is everything about loading multiple divs in a single page with different content. Okay, now I hope you like this video, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.